Kia ora! Welcome to the first lesson on how many. Today we're going to learn to ask, how many are there? There are two ways to ask this question, depending on what we're talking about. The word for how many is kia. If you want to ask about people, we start the sentence with toko hia. Then we say ngā, which is the plural the. At the end, we put the word for the people that we're asking about. For example, toko hia ngā tāngata. How many people are there? Toko hia ngā tamariki. How many children are there? Toko hia ngā kōtiro. How many girls are there? If you want to ask about something other than people, we replace toko with e. E hia ngā, followed by the thing. For example, e hia ngā kuri. How many dogs are there? E hia ngā pune. How many spoons are there? E hia ngā whare. How many houses are there? Let's practice, while also learning some new words. Pātara means bottle. How do you ask, how many bottles are there? E hia ngā pātara. Kai tākaro means player. How do you ask, how many players are there? Toko hia ngā kai tākaro. Amarara means umbrella. How do you ask, how many umbrellas are there? E hia ngā amarara. There you have it. Now you know how to ask, how many are there? In Māori. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to respond to these questions. Ka kite!